When the batteries on your MyQ door sensor go low, it is time for you to replace it to ensure that you do not get locked out of your garage. This video, we will teach you how to change it. Before changing the batteries in your hub, you will need one CR24503 volt batteries. And to avoid any tamper alarms, we will have to unplug the hub. Next, we will go to the door sensor, which is right there. Next, we will go to the door sensor mounted on your top pan. Next, you will need to go to your door sensor and pull it out. Use your fingernails to pull the old battery out of your door sensor. Get a new battery from your new battery stuff and put it in your hub, your sensor. Push the button and put it back. Now we will go to the hub and get the power connector and slide it up in here, and the light should turn green. Now, head to your door sensor and push it. Push it 6 times to test the new battery. After you replace the battery, the low battery message will still stay on the MyQ app. It will automatically clear itself after 6 cycles or more. It depends on how many times you use your garage door. It will clear itself after you open and close it 6 cycles. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server. The link is in the channel's description.